Ugh. I've been brushing my teeth with that.
One small clogged part could be wrecking your water pressure, and most people don't even know it exists.
Most modern taps actually have a filter built in.
It's actually called an aerator, and it mixes air with water to smooth the flow and reduce splashing.
But it clogs over time with limescale and debris, look. See that, just spraying here, there and everywhere.
And once it's clogged, it doesn't actually lower the pressure. It just restricts the flow.
And you should be cleaning it every few months or so. And I'll show you mine and what happens if you don't. Depending on your tap or faucet, there's a couple of different ways actually getting these off. Sometimes these are completely round, in which case you're going to need to get yourself grips. Maybe a cloth wrap around it and then twist that off. My particular one has got one flat edge there, and then there's a corresponding on the other side. You can use a set of these to get it off, or you might have like a castle nut underneath, in which case you need these special light little tools. I'm just going to slide these on. Yeah, you'll scratch the chrome. No, I won't. This one's a bit open at the back, but I can show you another one off the kitchen tap in a minute. Doesn't look too bad that side. Check that out though. Ugh. I've been brushing my teeth with that. That's mostly calcium deposit or limescale, and a bit of I don't know, it looks like mold chucked in. So I'm just gonna soak it with some vinegar for the next, I don't know, half hour, and I'll quickly show you the kitchen tap. Exactly the same process on this kitchen tap. Make sure you put the plug in the sink, because you've got three parts to this. You've got your rubber washer that often stays inside your tap. You've got the actual aerator, and then you've got the housing. You can get new ones of these, or just clean it like I am. There you go, that's mine all cleaned. And now we just screw it back in, tighten it up. Now we've got better flow. I bet yours is clogged. Go and check it.